You ever hear someone say they fell out with a friend, their car fell apart, their plans fell through, and then, just to top it off, they fell for a scam? Yeah, English phrasal verbs are wild like that. But here is the thing. They may sound similar, but each one means something completely different. And today, I'm going to make it so simple you'll never confuse them again. I am Tutor Adewale, and all I do is to help you better your conversation. Yes, today's lesson promises to be very helpful, so stay glued to the end of the video. But before we get started, I would like to make a special shout out to everyone who has joined me in this challenge so far. My spirit is delighted with you, and I pray for you always. If you are coming across Tutor Adewale for the first time, you have met the right person for your sources in speaking the conventional English correctly, especially as a Nigerian student or parent. Stick around and pay attention to every detail I share in this lesson because, of course, you'll need it soon. Let's kick things off with fallout. This one has nothing with actual falling, by the way. It means to argue with someone and damage the relationship. For example, you might have heard someone say, "I fell up with my best friend over something really petty." What he or she was trying to say was that he or she was no more friends with the other person because they had a misunderstanding over something trivial, something that could be considered unnecessary.
Screws fall out all the time.
When you fall out of love with someone and then you have a choice whether to stay or to go, because
do you think you can be in love?
When people fall out, they are no longer close. So think of it like a friendship fracture. Next up is fall apart. This one is a little dramatic, and it's perfect for when things break down completely, either physically or emotionally. For instance, the chair fell apart the second I sat on it. Or after the divorce, it just fell apart emotionally. So whether it's your furniture or your feelings, when it stops holding together, it falls apart.
But we can't afford to fall apart.
We fall apart like we ain't a damn bit of nothing, man.
Now, here is a very frustrating one. Fall through. This means plans or deals that fail or get cancelled, often at the last minute. A very good example is our vacation plans fell through because of the weather. That means we couldn't go for the vacation because of the weather. Another good example is the business deal fell through at the final stage. So sad. The business could not work again at the last stage. It's that moment when you've built up hope, and then boom, nothing happens. It just falls through.
I'm confident the deal will fall through.
I'm not going to watch our children fall through the cracks of this arranged.
And finally, fall for. This one has got two vibes. It can mean to fall in love with someone or to get tricked by someone. On the romantic side, one can say he fell for her the moment they met. While on the deceptive side, one can say she fell for a scam and lost a ton of money. So sad too. So yeah, you can fall for a person or a prank. One feels great, the other not so much.
You afraid James might grow tired of your wannabe black girl routine and fall for something real like me? She's not one of those dumb skanks that would fall for Carl's come-ons.
Now let's do a quick recap before you forget. Fallout means to argue and damage a relationship. Fall apart means to break down emotionally or physically. Fall through means plans or deals fail, while fall for means to fall in love or get deceived. 4 phrases with one verb. They are totally different meanings, and that is English for you. Now it's your turn. Drop a sentence in the comments using one of these phrases, or better yet, tell me which one you used recently in real life. And hey, don't fall through on your language learning. Hit the like button. Share with someone who's always falling for the wrong words. And of course, subscribe for more videos that make English make sense.